Good afternoon everyone, it's Thursday the 12th of June and welcome to the Chowdhury allotment, plot number 25. As you can see, this is a new addition that I've built. It's just a little fencing. Those who haven't been, just so you know, here we go, plot 25. And as I'm recording this, there is slight drizzle, so it is what it is. Let me take you for a little quick tour with the latest updates. This patch is new. It was only done 3 days ago. So I've planted some carrots, spinach, and a couple of types of radishes, sorry, white and red radishes. So we'll see what happens there. Let me introduce you to the strawberry plantation. Some baby strawberries here, quite a few. Some fairly large ones there. The runners are coming out, but have a look at this, guys. The creme de la creme. Yeah, look at that. Look at that bad boy. Nice juicy red Wimbledon quality strawberry. So we'll try and hide that from all the creep corals and protect it. Here's the baby patch of tomatoes. These are baby chili plants. Quite a few there. And then we just got some greens growing. I think they all life after some red spinach or I don't know, whatever. We'll find out when they grow. Here's my courgettes. Have a look at this bad boy. There's quite a few here. I think there's about 4 in total in this plant. And then the second one has also got a few as well. There's a little piddly one there. The pepper plant doesn't look too healthy, but oh well. The beans are looking good, nicely flowering. Here's a new plant. It's a chili one. Just put it in there yesterday, so we'll see what happens. Look at the tomatoes, they're looking good. Even got a few baby tomatoes on here. Can you see that? There it is, look, can you see? So we got that size tomato. There's quite a few in there. It's a bit of a jungle, so it's not easy to make out, but they are there. Let me show you, oh yeah, let me show you my sangay from a distance. How does that look? Yeah? Build this from scratch. Hopefully all these plants are going to be growing right to the top, turning it into a mini jungle. But look, like Rizwan said, look, 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 baby cucumbers. Got a couple on this one. Look, there's one on the floor. Plants, they look fairly healthy. They're growing. This is a fairly decent looking plant. Like that, another cucumber there. Another one there. And this one's grown quite tall and it's still growing, as you can see. It's clinging on. These are the beans. They're looking good. I mean, look at this particular one, it's gone right to the top. And it's still growing. It's flowered. So we might get to see some beans on these ones fairly soon. Here we have my Laugas. There you go, that's probably a better angle. Clinging on. So I think these are the Fatilaus. And then we come to the meter loads. Look at that. Remember what you saw last time? And now look at it. The vines are starting to shoot out. Especially this one. Look. I've had to put some sort of a barrier there just in case no one steps on it. And we've even got a couple of baby lows. Look, have a look at that. So yeah, here we come. And I've just noticed there's another one in here. I think there's quite a few inside, but I've just noticed this particular one. But yeah, and here's a couple of more chili plants that I just bought and planted yesterday. The coriander's looking good. Let's not step on those. And then yeah, these are just the potatoes and some onions. I've even got myself a little seating area now, so whenever you guys do decide to come, you can come, sit down, relax, enjoy the sun, and have a look at 25 Chowdhury allotment. Yeah. Okie dokie. Thank you for watching. See you all later.